Hi, Kristen. This is Mrs. Leonardi, and I read your email, and I thought I just would make you a video to help you kind of navigate around the coursework. I thought this would help better than sending an email. Um, so I'm in student view, so I'm seeing what you see, and so this is the home page of our class, and um, so this is what you see when you log in, and um, this is Brightspace, this is D2L, and right here you can see my most recent announcements. So we're in week 3. This was the announcement that I posted on Monday, and then I just posted another one today, and it's this one. So this one has a lot of links to show you model assignments, what I'm looking for. These are previous assignments from previous terms, and so you can just click on those, and you can see what I'm looking for with like the 3-6 writing plan and the annotated bibliography. So I have a little bit more detail here about the annotated bibliography, but I know you're not there yet, so let's let's backtrack. I just wanted to show you that these are where my announcements are. So you're going to go to course menu, and then you need to click on learning modules, and this takes you to the MindEdge material. Now I have to go back to instructor view because it won't let me get into the modules. So again, course menu, learning modules, and you're missing, I think, week 1 and week 2 work. So we'll go into module 1, and this is the now this is MindEdge. So this is our e-learning material. Okay, there's no book for this class. It's just this e-learning material. So you already participated in the discussion board, so that was good. You still need to do the 1-6 journal, the From Problem to Persuasion, and so we'll click on that, and this gives you all the instructions that you need, and all the prompts that you need. And also back over in the announcements, I have some sample assignments in my week 1 announcements showing you exactly what you need to do for this 1-6 journal assignment. So when you are ready to submit it, you will go back into Brightspace. You click course menu again. Let me go back into student view. I'm sorry, because it will look different in instructor view. Okay, so you finished your 1-6 assignment. You click course menu. Siri thinks I'm talking to her. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, so click course menu. Then you will click assignments, and this is where you will submit your major assignments. So right here, this is where you will submit the 1-6 journal assignment. And again, even right here, it gives you specific instructions about what you need to do. And here you can click on this and you can look at the rubric, and this gives you even more information. So very helpful, because I use this rubric to grade your assignment, so you'll want to follow that rubric. But this is where you will go to fill out or to submit the journal assignment. So you'll click add a file, and then you'll go to your computer and you will upload something, okay? And then once you just click add, and it'll upload, and then you click submit. So again, that's add a file, go to your computer and find it, whatever it might be. Then you'll click add and then submit. Okay, so that's how you submit your major assignments. Now you're also missing week 2, so go back to learning modules. I have to go back to instructor view. All right, so we're going to go back to learning modules. Let's go to module 2, which was last week. And some of these assignments are automatically graded from MindEdge. Like this that says graded and this one that says graded, those are just automatically graded with MindEdge. But this assignment 2.2 assignment 1 milestone writing notes, I will grade that one. So with this one, you need to follow these prompts. Okay, down here it gives you, you're going to talk about your argument, whatever your argument is, your topic, and how you derived that. So you're going to fill out this text box, and then you'll click submit. And then you'll fill out this next one. What are your 3 key points? 1, blah, blah, blah. 2, blah, 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 so on and so forth. Then you click submit. And so you just keep filling out these text boxes and clicking submit. Okay, and then you download the Word doc, and here it is. And you can edit, save it to your desktop so that you can submit the assignment. And then to submit it, you need to go back into Brightspace, click course menu again, you'll click assignments, and you will submit it to the 2.2 assignment 1 writing notes. Okay, so just like you did with the 1.6 journal. Okay, and you just need to continue going through all the modules and filling out the work and reading the material from MindEdge. I hope this helps. Hope it brings some clarity. If not, definitely please let me know, Kristin, and we'll figure something out. I know it's a lot of flipping back and forth, and it's a lot of clicking this and clicking that. So yeah, it's it can be confusing. I completely agree with you. But I hope this helps. Just remember, course menu and announcements, learning modules, and just all this is very helpful. Right here, online student services, this is where you can click and you can get help from, here's tech support information, here is the Writing Center, the Shapiro Library. So that was, that was here. You can click on this, go to the Shapiro Library, it'll take you right there. Okay, I hope this helps, Kristin, but if not, please stay in touch. Let me know what you need, okay? All right, talk to you later. Bye-bye.